I'm cleaning brown eyebrow gel off my hand because it looks like I got dookie on my hand. And that's not what we're trying to go for today. Is that better? I think that's better. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about makeup. Wow, so exciting, never done before. Super original idea right here, big brain. But I wanted to talk about my favorite makeup, like things I think everybody should own. And I personally think you don't need to own anything else, at least for a day-to-day basis. If you're trying to do something special, that's a little different. But if you're just a regular schmegular human being going on along with their lives and you just want to wear makeup on a day-to-day basis, I got you covered. I have enough makeup here to make a full face and then some. Not only do I have affordable options, but I also do have a few more expensive options that I think are worth the splurge. And trust me, I don't think anything's ever worth the splurge, so if I say it's worth spending money on, it has to be good. I don't like spending money, that's not fun. So first things first, we're gonna start with primers. You don't need them. Do not buy primer. Useless. I have so much of it and I never use it. Why? It doesn't do anything. And I just realized my sleeves are rolled up for some reason. Primer couldn't fix that. What is primer even good for? Okay? Primer is like the crap you put on your walls before you paint, which not everybody even does that. Useless. So the first thing you do actually need is foundation. A good go-to foundation that is both buildable and lightweight. This one. Buy this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. They have a ton of shades. It's super cheap. It's the cheapest you're gonna get, okay? For such a good foundation, I cannot believe it's that cheap. Actually, I can because there's no pump. That bothers me so much. It's kind of messy when you pour it out. But that's the only downside to this foundation. It's lightweight. It looks natural. It looks like your skin. There's tons of different shades. It goes on really well. I love this when I had acne. I love this when I didn't have acne. I still have acne. Why did I say had acne? I love this when my acne was super flared up and cystic. I love this when my acne was non-existent. And I love this now that when I still have acne. It's good. Trust me. You're not gonna find a better foundation at this price. And so, I'm gonna put it in the bag. That is so cheesy. I wanna die. Concealer. The Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I love it. As you can tell, she's a little crusty looking. She's a little bit used. A little bit. To the point that I need to buy a new one. I love this concealer. It goes really well with the foundation. It works super well. The more expensive option is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. This I really like. I wish they had more shades like Maybelline has, but this is worth your money, okay? It lasts a really long time. It's good for blemishes, under eye, eyeshadow base. This is a holy grail product and I love it. So both of these concealers are going in the bag. We're gonna stick with that. So now you need something to powder down your foundation and your concealer. Maybelline. I really like this line. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder. This can also be used as a foundation powder if you wanted to go a little lighter, but I like to layer this on top of my foundation. And I also will recommend the Coty Airspun powder. She is powdery.
Wow, a powdery powder? Oh my gosh! Who would have thought?
It will get everywhere, but it is best for people with oily skin. It does have a little bit of a scent to it, but you get a ton of powder in this, and it has lasted me so long. So, for those reasons, they go in the bag. Next order of business, bronzer and contour. I love the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Everyone's talked about this. It is the best. You should get it. It's super warm, it looks natural, it's buildable, so you can make it darker if you want to, and I love it. I also wanted to recommend this NYX contour palette. It has a lot of shades in it. You get a bunch of different powders in here. You get a highlighter, some setting powder, and all your contours you can ever want. And for that reason, I love it. It's a go-to. I use it so much. They're both going in the bag! Now for blush. I own a lot of blush, like a ton, and most of it is high-end because I wait until Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty sale and I snatched them up super cheap. But I do have one that my mom gave me. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush, of course, keeping with the theme here. This is really nice. I used it today and I like it. Another good one to mention is the IT Cosmetics by Pores blush. This is much more expensive, but I think it is worth your money. It's very highly pigmented and it lasts a really long time on your face. No, for those reasons, they are going in the bag. Now for eyeshadows. This one was a little difficult for me. I wasn't sure what to recommend or how to recommend eyeshadows, and not everyone wants an eyeshadow. So I wanted to recommend neutral colors, and I also wanted to recommend colorful colors. So the first one I'm going to recommend is this CoverGirl Nudes palette. I've had this for a really long time. It is really great. It has all the shades you're going to need for a neutral eye look. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes today. I absolutely love the shimmer shades in here. This one in particular also can be used as a highlighter. This shade right here is really good for setting your concealer down, so you can apply all these shades on top. Really great. You get an amazing black shade in this too. I'm really picky with black eyeshadow. That one is good. The more expensive option I'm going to recommend is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. This one goes on sale quite often, and I think you should just wait until it's on sale. Personally, the colors in here are my absolute favorite. I have not found another eyeshadow palette that I like more than this one. The pigments, the color payoff is just so good. So good, very blendable. The shimmers in here are insane and I love it. So I definitely think it's worth the extra money. I would wait until it's on sale though, because you want to save your money. For those reasons, they are going in the bag. The bag's getting a little full. Now for colorful eyeshadows, I'm recommending two affordable options. One is just smaller than the other. The first one I'm going to recommend is the NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette. I think that's what it's called. This is really nice. There's some shades in here I don't like as much as the others, but this will create a really nice, bright, fun look on your eye, and I really like it. It's pigmented, and that's what matters with bright colors. Look at that blue. Look at that pink. Purple. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at how pretty that is. It's probably out of focus. Pretty. The next one I want to recommend is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette. There's a lot more colors in here, and it's just a little bit bigger, so it's a little harder to like travel with, or if you're working with limited space. But there's a lot more shades here, more versatility. There's also some more neutral shimmers at the bottom of this palette, and it has a mirror. A mirror! Guys, I love it. I love looking at myself. I'm just so you know, I just like knowing what I'm doing to my face before I'm gonna walk around all day. They understand me. And for those reasons, both of these are going mostly in the bag. The bag. Now for eyebrows. Eyebrows aren't really my thing, but I do have a couple cheap and affordable options for you guys. This e.l.f. little duo set is awesome, especially for traveling. It has a little mirror in it, and you can see your little eyebrows. And it had a brush. I love this brush, and then I lost it. Super sad about it. But one side has a powder, and the other side has a gel. You can apply the gel and then set it with powder, or you can just go with powder. Or if you don't want to really set the gel and you want to live your life a little dangerously, it's got you covered. You can just do that. For that reason, it's going in the bag. This is an honorable mention. Eyebrow gel. Like the little eyebrow mascaras. I love them. But not really this one. I've used it for probably a year now, and it's grown on me, but I still don't love it. My favorite one is the NYX Tinted Eyebrow Gel. It's amazing. I love it. This one's also, it's okay. It's okay. It's not as good. But this is the Maybelline Brown. See, I don't even know the name of it. This is the Maybelline Brow Drama. It's okay. It works. It's cheap. My favorite one is still the NYX Tinted Gels. So if you have a choice, pick the NYX one. But she still works. She still works. It's okay. So it's going in the bag. Next, eyeliner. The NYX Matte Liquid Liner. holy grail sent from God. God said,
"Here, you need eyeliner, Rebecca."
and I was like, yes, I do, God. And God was like,
"That'll be $7.
I love it. This is my favorite eyeliner. I never had a better eyeliner than this. Highly recommend. I really want to try the vinyl one too. Buy this. Spend your money on this. Do it. Do it. I don't even have another recommendation for you guys. That's how good this is. Now we're to the part I dread the most. Mascara. I don't know how to explain this to you guys. I use whatever mascara I have, but my favorite ones are expensive. I love to splurge on mascara, and so many YouTubers are like, do not splurge on mascara, but they also wear false eyelashes. I don't wear false eyelashes every day, okay? My favorite mascara that I found is the Benefit They're Real mascara. It's super nice, I like it, but it's expensive, and I only buy it during Black Friday when it's pretty much always on sale somewhere. Ulta, Sephora. I try to buy like 1 or 2 just to get me through the year, and then I use whatever else I have in between. An honorable mention, actually. This is the Tarte Gifted Mascara. I got this in a little set as a sample. This is such a good mascara. It's really good at separating your lashes and making them super long, and it looks so natural. So natural. So I know a lot of girls want really natural, long looking lashes. This is perfect. I love it so much. My only complaint is it's not waterproof. But other than that, I love it. But what I love about their real mascara is it just makes my lashes long and full. And it's kind of waterproof. It doesn't say it's waterproof, but I cry a lot in it. It holds up. There's definitely a lot of cheap mascaras I can recommend to you. I know what cheap ones are good. And the Essence mascaras are amazing. You'll love them. Try them out. CoverGirl also has some good ones. And one of the only good ones that I own is the L'Oreal Voluminous mascaras. There's a lot of them. It's a little overwhelming. I'm still not sure which one I was recommended, but I have a few of them. And this is 1,000 years old. I just never threw it out. I am wearing it today, though. I still put it on. Just hoping for the best. Hoping I don't like die because I did that. This is a really good mascara. Definitely works. Also, I think it's the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Try that one. I haven't tried it, but everyone loves it, so try it out. This part was kind of confusing, so I'm gonna comment down below what I think about mascaras and different ones, and you can ask me any questions you need to, because I have a lot of opinions about mascara, and this video is gonna get really messy if we keep talking about it.
Why was I whispering? Is the mascara Illuminati gonna get me or something? Well, am I okay?
These are going. Wait, where's the gifted one? In the bag. Now we're on to lips. I don't usually put a ton of stuff on my lips. Usually I just use lip liner and a tinted chapstick. That will always work. And for lip liners, I'm going to recommend the NYX ones. They're like $4 a piece, and they're amazing. This one's in the color, I believe, mauve, and I love it. It's lasted me a really long time, and she works really well, and it's really flattering color. So, for that reason, she's going in the bag. For lipsticks, one of my favorite has always been the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. Very comfortable, very wearable. This color looks really natural. This is London. I also own Stockholm. I love both, and I bought them several times. I highly recommend this. I'm wearing it today on top of my lip liner. And there's also many other lipsticks I can recommend to you. I will put them in the comments down below so this video doesn't get super confusing. So guys, everything in this bag is all the makeup that you need. Plus some, because I made multiple recommendations. That's the only reason this is overfilled. If I didn't make multiple recommendations, this bag would zip nicely. I want to do some honorable mentions. So I'm going to talk about lashes and setting spray. Okay, so not everyone's going to need this, but setting spray. It's really nice. Get a travel size of the Urban Decay All Nighter and just have this with you, because I've had this one bottle for so long and I've not made it through the entire bottle. But if it's a hot day and you want to wear a full face of makeup, this is going to be your best friend. If you're going to a big event, this is going to keep your makeup on all night. Get this, you're not going to need it in an everyday situation, but it's very nice to have. Lashes, I love the Ardell's. This is a lot of Ardell lashes. You do not need that many. You can just pick out which ones you like, but a couple packs of these and some duo lash glue, that's all you need. You're done. Cheap, 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 cheap. I also really love Kiss lashes. Those are actually my favorites. I don't know where they are right now, but they're a lot softer and they're more comfortable to wear with contacts. But if you like lashes, Ardell and Kiss, those are my favorite brands. Can't go wrong with them. I'm gonna lay out the bare minimum for you guys, things that I think everyone should just have, and nothing more. So you can see how small of an amount of makeup you can have, but you can still do a full face. And that's so cool. Like, I think that's cool because when I started, I had no idea how much makeup I needed. And I had no idea what to buy. So that's just gonna be a nice little reference for y'all. If you have any questions on how to use anything or any more recommendations you need, just go ahead and comment that down below. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really, really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Have a really good day and bye. I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore in my last video, and I was just kind of tired of seeing it, and I knew I was gonna have to spend time editing this video, so I'd have to see it a lot more. So I was like, I need a solution. And a simple solution would be to change my shirt, but I didn't feel like doing that. So instead I just put a bodysuit on over it. And I also put it over my shorts. We're giving 80s workout vibes today. I feel like I should be teaching you aerobics. Come on guys, come on class, let's get up. Let's get moving.